This is React Email. This NPM module helps you to create email using React components, which then convert this React component into an HTML code that can be sent as an email to the customers. While creating this React email, the founders or creators understood that the problem is much bigger. So using this React email, they created a company called Resend. Resend is an extended feature which basically uses React email to create an email and convert into an HTML. And then using a Resend API, the user or developer can send this HTML to the bulk user. Resend do provide an SDKs as well as an API which are compatible with JavaScript and Python, Node and React. And they does it very lower cost, very easy to use SDK, and they also provide you analytics, handle your user bases or subscribers and manage multiple domains. So do check the product, link in the description, and that's it. See you in the next one.